Fang Gang, I do have to say it's pretty nice to finally meet. Yeah, I mean, since all of us since we have two dogs here that are the only dogs in Mixeland. Oh, look how good they're getting along. So anyways, how long you been here at Mixeland? Oh, not so long again. Nix! Hey, look! That Nixel has the SPECAIL's Cupid. We better help them. Get back here, you stupid Nixel! Nix! Yeah! Ah! Huh? Step right up, folks. Don't be shy. Put your money in Mixels' hat to see the WIZTASTICS show. Chink. Chink. Magnifico, how long do I have to do this? Just the more the merrier. The more the merrier of Electro. What in the world does that mean? How should I know? You better pay me after this. Okay. Ching. 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 Ching ching. Dun. Bum 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 bum. Well, WIZTASTICS, we meet again. Oh, hey, Flane. How's it going? Still in the magic business, right? Yep, still doing magic. Good. We came to see your show. Ching, ching, ching. Hope this time it isn't as stupid as the last one. Let's go. Ooh. Guys, do you think I can be good? I could be better than last time? Yeah. You'll do great. Real great. Tink. Aw, thanks, you guys. You're the bestest friends I could ever have. Can I get paid now? After the show. I'm. Who did that? Oh! Ah! Hey! Ew. Oh my goodness! My goodness, guys! Look at all those! Look at all those people out there! It's a big crowd out there. We never had that much. We didn't have that much people ever. You think the WIZTASTICS are gonna have a better show this year? Nah, I doubt it. Okay, Magnifico, calm down. Calm down. You can do this. Magnifico, our magic show's gonna start. Oh, okay. Places, everyone. Oh man, I love the Thundermans. They're so awesome. A superhero family. Nickelodeon, you gotta do more. Hey, who turned out the TV? Whoa! The show is about to begin. Please turn off all your cell phones and everything else. Okay, we turned off all our cell phones, but there's one problem. We don't have cell phones. But you just said we turned off all our headphones. Don't start with me, footy. Poof. Stop, drop, roll. Stop, drop, roll. Stop, drop, roll. Okay, the fire's out. Okay. Ding. Okay. For my first trick, I'll need a volunteer. You there, screaming in the back. Me? Yeah, you, chef. Come over here. Okay. Oh boy. Oh. Now I shall put you in my magic vase. And when we all wave our tails. Magnifico, you don't have a tail. Forget it. We will make you disappear. Now get in there. But it's to get in there! Okay. What? Okay. Poof. Did it work? Ah! That was unexpected. Boo! 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 1 hour of boring black magic later. Boo! You stink! Get off the stage! Magnifico, you gotta do something. For my last trick, I will make a cupid appear in thin air, and we are all max together. This could be a little bit interesting. Okay, now abracawacka doodle. Anyone lost an eyeball? Ah! My eye! My eye! Uh-oh. Boo! You stink! Boo! Worst magic show ever. We're getting out of here, guys. Come on. Yeah. Wait, no! My dreams! There, Magnifico. All dreams can't come true. Boing, 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 boing. Beep. Huh? Dun 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 dun. Oh. Max. What the heck? It worked? Oh, that's amazing! It works! That's amazing! What next? That'll teach you how to steal someone's cubit, you ugly Mixel, you. Oh, hey guys, what's up? While you guys were playing, we were busy beating up a Mixel. Next! Shoo! Shoo! Wonder what you guys were doing while we were beating up that Mixel. Hey guys, it's me, Redbird. You know me, the leader of the Angry Birds and stuff. Whatever. So you're wondering, why is Redbird appearing in a Mixel episode? Well, because the Angry Birds show, because train number 4 is going to put on an Angry Birds show soon. Yep, that's right. So you better keep your fingers crossed. He's just going to do one more Mixel episode. But by the way, why am I here? It's because, train number 4 wants you to subscribe and stuff. And if you like his video, if you could touch on this Mixel or something like that. To go back to his channel to see his recent work. So this is Redbird, and I'm giving you a warning. The Angry Bird show is coming soon. So click on this Mixel.